welcome back to my Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Alicia and it's time to get ready with me. It's Saturday. I'm not really doing anything, but I'm just gonna be sitting at my house, and yeah, I want to feel cute, so let's film a get ready with me. I'm trying to film kind of as much videos as possible at home because that's where I feel most comfortable, because I have my own makeup room, not like in a hotel room with my boyfriend constantly. So yeah. I changed my hair up. Usually I part my hair down the middle, but I decided to do it this way today. And I plucked my eyebrows. They're not as thick today, so hope they're cute. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna start with my Curology moisturizer. I have like so many leftover bottles. I have one in like 2 of my bathrooms and one in here and in my travel bag. That just shows you how much I don't use it every day and night like I'm supposed to. Yeah. So, how is it where you guys are? Like the weather? It is snowing so bad here. So bad. Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Oh my gosh. You guys, just saying, I finally got a pair. Oh yeah, well you guys obviously know. I think I posted a video already. I don't know. I finally got a pair of Lily lashes, and oh my god, I love them so much. They are like really my favorite lashes, so I know they're like $20, but just spend it, because I've already used mine like 3 days in a row straight, and they're perfectly fine. Nothing is wrong with them. Where the hell is where the hell is my beaver? That of course I forgot to get wet. I was like, I just got my beauty blender wet. Where is it? I have my Tarte Shape Tape on. Oh my god, that I've left on a little too long because it's not blending good. You guys want to see my dog? Hi! Are you a pretty girl? Like, I need to clean my brushes. That's what I need to do, because like, yeah. Anyway, but I'm using the James Charles palette. So I am going to take this shade up here. This eye turned out way better than this eye, and it even like looks a little different, like color-wise. Like, I think there was some product left on my brush underneath it and darken it. Let's hope this goes good. Okay, I have that done, and then I concealed my eyes with my Tarte Shape Tape. This shade, like my Stila glitter. I'm going to use my e.l.f. eyeliner and do my eyeliner. To use my e.l.f. Matte Oil Control Primer. I think I'm just going to use my Tarte Shape Tape foundation today. My hydrating one. Okay guys, I just did my base like foundation and everything off camera. Yeah. What the frick? I scratched my lipstick inside my brush. What is wrong with me? So yeah, I just did my normal routine. Like always. This is like such dramatic eyeliner. Oh my god, I didn't even close anything. I don't close anything. Saw this thing open. Okay. I figured since I didn't show you guys any of like my foundation and stuff, I figured I'd show you guys putting my eyelashes on. Okay. And I got my lashes. I'm just gonna use my Kiss strip lash adhesive. And then I'm just gonna, holy shit, that's way too much. Just going to do one coat. And I always make sure to get the ends with a little more lash glue than the rest, because that's where like I have the most problem, like the bit staying on. So yeah, like I don't know how Tammy, like she'll be like, oh, I have like 4-day lashes on. Like I can barely keep mine on for a full day. I don't get how she keeps hers on that one. Yep, I'm just gonna go in with my Tarteist mascara. Oh, and don't you guys just like love my shirt from PacSun? Anyone was wondering. Yeah, and then this jacket is part of the Kylie collection. And I got to the point where I don't really need any tweezers. So I am all done. I put on my Lily lashes and then I use my lip kit Dolce K from Kylie Cosmetics. Don't want to get my shirt. So yep, this is it. And then now I'm going to put on my highlight. I'm going to use my Kylie highlighter palette from the Stormy collection. And it doesn't say which shade. I don't even know if they have shade names, but I'm going to mix these. Actually, I'm going to mix these two. And then first, I'm going to spray my face with some Mario Badescu Cucumber and Aloe spray. And then cover my eyes. Like that mostly is just on my clothing. Yeah. So I kind of look like Brett style. Even though, no, wait, just wait. I'm literally filming my outfit right now. So no, because I need to charge my phone. My phone is literally on 10, like, no. I'm literally done. I'm done.
Okay, hurry. My phone's on 3%.
Get out of my room. Okay. Anyways, so if you guys liked today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thank you guys. Love you and see you next time.